Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, we received a Dinftin spreader today. Let's see what it looks like in the box. It comes in a nice box rather than on its own. And comes in a nice bag. But holy cow, look at the size of this thing. Let's get it out of here. Comes with instructions, so it tells you what to do and how to use it and all that good stuff. So put that aside. But yeah, look at the size of that thing. You got your adjustments here, trigger here, your battery power here. So you put your Dewalt or whatever battery fits in here. And here you've got an adjustment down here on how wide to go here. So you can, for width. All right, we're gonna go give it a shot and see how it works. Okay, we got our spreader out here. Now, this here, you can adjust the hole down there. You can see that it opens there. You can close it. You can make it open wider and so on and so forth. We're going to leave it right there. Now, I put a battery in it. Now, this is a Dewalt 5 amp. So, all you do is slide it in there and off you go, okay? Now, here you can adjust your spread, okay? So you can go a tight spread. I would say it's probably 30 degrees or 45 it's probably going to be. And here's probably almost a 90-degree spread. So you can adjust that way. Okay, we're going to leave it probably right about there in the middle. Okay, now down here is the adjustment for your spreader. So I want you to listen to it. Okay, ready? That's max. And down you go. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty slick right there. So we're gonna try it out on the lower speed and just see how it goes. Let's throw some fertilizer in there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now we're gonna stop here. We're gonna go faster now. Let's see. Let's turn this up a bit. And let's go a wider spread and see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. Holy cow. That spreads, I would say, oh, probably a good 20 feet. Look at that. Man, that's awesome. Holy cow. That's gonna make a big difference in fertilizing. Okay, I'm on a smaller lawn that doesn't have a lot of room, and I'm gonna close that right up. And I'll tell you what, we don't get a lot of waste with this, right? Like, look at that. So now I'm not spreading all over the street or anything like that. We got a little patch of grass right here, and I'm gonna turn this dial down. So let's go to let's see. Let's go to 2. I was on 5. Well, it doesn't do very much. Okay, so I'm gonna turn that up now. Let's go back up to, say, 7. Oh yeah, look at that. Puts out a lot more. And you can really boogie too, right? Put more on. Less of a spread. And off you go. Look at that. I love it. All right. All right, that's my review. Enjoy.